This video demonstrates how to properly seal a joint using a sealant. We'll seal a 20 mm deep, 6 mm wide joint with a round nozzle. Start by applying spacer tape to the correct position on a metal sheet. The tape ensures the joint's width and acts as a barrier for the sealant. Make sure the tape is compatible with the sealant to avoid curing issues. Place a glass plate on top to complete the sample. Next, prepare the nozzle to match the joint dimensions. Carefully inject the sealant, avoiding bubbles or gaps, and slightly overfill the joint. Then, press it down with a spatula to ensure it's fully filled and void-free. The result: a perfectly sealed joint with the correct dimensions. Thanks for watching.